Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the liftgate actuator switch fuses are located, you may have up to 4 of them in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the liftgate actuator switch fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. Now it should work for both, guys. Okay, since it's the same generation. You have up to 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today we're working 2 of them. The first one, open the trunk. When you do that, on the right side you have a cover here. Open that cover. Underneath it you'll find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The liftgate actuator switch fuses. You may need to check up to 4 fuses, 2 in this fuse box and 2 in another one. So the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 1. We're talking about this 5M fuse right here. That's fuse number 1, guys. Then you need to check fuse number 25. It will be that fuse right here, fuse number 25. Next, you will need to open the passenger door. When you do that, okay, if you look under the dash on the passenger side, on the bottom of the glove box, you have soft carpet liner that attaches with 2 turning knobs. Unscrew them, remove that fuzzy carpet liner, and behind it you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now, here we need to check 2 more fuses. We're talking about, okay, you can see the fuse numbers are listed in the top right corner next to the fuse. But the first one is fuse number 63. That 10M fuse here will need to be checked. The second one that we need to check is fuse number 84. Okay, that fuse right here, guys, 20M fuse. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.